This is my hydroponic radish farm. Here we have a couple concrete mixing tubs that are being hydroponically fed from the rain gutter growth systems down beneath. In the tubs, I have normal soil composted, and through the bottom comes the hydroponic solution, which is Master Blend tomato formula. Let's go ahead and harvest some of these radishes.
Check these guys out. Monster radish. Holy moly. Look at this one.
Some of these radishes are just straight monsters in here. Let me show you. We're back inside. We got them all cleaned up, rinsed off, and trimmed. I like to keep a little bit of the top, a little bit of the bottom. As you see, we have some small ones, we got some big ones, and we got some that are more photogenic than others. Have a beautiful day.